Hey yo, come back. Let's go. Today is a blessed day. You know why it's a blessed day? It's a win trade, my friends. So basically, I just focus on 5-minute time frames. 5-minute time frame and 4-hour candlesticks. So I look at ups. I see the candle. I mean, this bearish candle has closed below the bearish candle. This one, okay, and then I see like the trend line. It's going down. So I told myself I'm gonna looking for sell. So how do I confirm that it's going to be down? And then I go to 5-minute time frames. Alright? I go to 5-minute time frames. I see a huge ass fair value gap. But before I didn't confirm it's here. I confirm it's here. Here. This is a fair big ass fair value gap right here. So that time I just opened the chart and I see it, and then I just click sell immediately. Like it went to over here already, and I put my stop loss right here. And as you can see, there's another fair value gap right here. So I think I squeezed my ass off right now. But before that, before I know it's going to be up here, I check in 1-minute time frames. You do break, and then you take the break of the block, and I could trade another one right here, but I didn't. I'm too scared. And so on. What you can learn from this? Well, first of all, you will look at 5-minute time frames. 5-minute time frames. You see there's a bearish and a huge fair value gap right here, and you waited until like break the block, another block, and then I confirm it's gonna be retested with fair value gap, and then I click sell. I put stop loss right here, and then try to get 2 or guess what? I got $5. Yes. Alright guys, that's it. And just want to let you know that please be patient. Every trade that you take, be patient. On FOMO, if you already entry, you already put stop loss TP and forget about it, and come back, recap, do that again, over again and again and again. One day you're gonna be profitable. That's it, guys. Hope you're doing well, and what? See you later.